In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset color settings in Windows 11. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by going to your desktop and finding an empty area where there are no icons. Right-click anywhere on that space to open a menu. From the menu, click on Display Settings. This will open the main display configuration window where you can adjust screen-related options. Scroll down until you find Advanced Display, then click on it. This section gives you more detailed control over your monitor settings. Near the top right of this page, you'll see a drop-down that lets you choose which display you want to adjust. If you're using more than one monitor, take a moment to select the correct screen before continuing. Once the correct display is selected, scroll slightly and click on Display Adapter Properties. A small window will pop up with additional settings. In that window, click on the Color Management tab. Then click the Color Management button to open a more detailed configuration panel. A new window will appear. At the top, click on the Advanced tab. This is where the system level color settings are managed. Next, click Change System Defaults. This will open another color management window with administrative options. In this new window, click the Advanced tab again. Look for the option labeled Use Windows Display Calibration. Click to enable Use Windows Display Calibration. This resets your display color settings to the system's default calibration profile. Once you've enabled it, close all the open windows one by one to apply the changes. After closing everything, take a moment to check your screen colors again. If the changes don't appear immediately, wait a few seconds for the system to fully apply the reset. If you're using multiple monitors, double check that you applied the reset to the correct display to ensure accurate color results. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.